Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we will be learning in karate that how can we call one scenario from another scenario in the same feature file, and how can we call one scenario from one feature file into another feature file. So let's do it. Let's see how can we achieve this thing. Create a file called scenario called feature, and we will have a scenario called scenario. You can see this like this. So we will have something called age equal to 5, and then print scenario. Right, and then we'll have one more scenario, and this will be scenario call. Let's make this second scenario calls, and then this will be something called b equal to 50, and we'll make it second scenario, and let's print this b, and let's make this right. Let's check if they are running fine or not. Okay, I think scenario 15 is fine. I think. Let's run the entire feature file. Okay, fine. So we are running fine. Now we will see how can we run this first scenario from within this scenario. So we will be, for this we will be using tags here. We'll assign one tag to this first scenario, and similarly let's assign this tag to the second scenario, and within this we will call, we will use this read API, and we will pass the name of the feature file here, scenario call dot feature at the rate first, right? Call rate scenario call dot feature. So let's run this specifically only this scenario, and let's see if it's actually calling the first scenario or not. Okay, what's the error? Is this expected? Just a second. Scenario calls is the file. It's actually giving this. Feature read first. Oh, we forgot to keep it under this single law. Let's try one more time. So we have to keep the name under this single quotes. So yeah, fine. So we can see it here. First it actually executed this two lines, second scenario, and then in the third line it is actually calling the first scenario by its name, by its tag name, and it's actually printing the first scenario. So in this way we can run as one scenario from another scenario within the same feature file. Let's see how can we call this thing from the another feature file. So the method or the pattern will be same, but let's see how actually we can do that. So you can say feature call not part of package, actually file feature call the feature, yeah, fine. And let's see feature call demo. We'll have scenario call here, and then we will call that this one the another feature, the scenario from the previous the feature file, right? The same thing will pass here. We will do like scenario call dot feature at the rate, I think second, I think, yeah. So this is the line, this is the read API of the Karate video. You will pass the path of this feature file, and we will pass the specific scenario that we want to pass by giving it the tag name. If you don't give this, it will actually run the entire feature file all the scenarios mentioned in that feature file. And if you want to pass run a specific scenario out of that feature file, we can mention it here. So let's see once more. So actually it should run this specific scenario, and indirectly I am calling this scenario, I'm running this scenario as well. So you can see it here, it's actually calling the by tag, it's okay, second scenario 15, and internally it is calling the first scenario, and we are able to run the first scenario as well, right? So in this way we have seen here how can we run a specific scenario on the same feature file, and by following the same method or the pattern, we can call the scenario inside another feature file, right? So that's all for this, and I hope you learned something, and please like and subscribe, and give your comments if you learned something in the API testing using Karate. Thanks all.